Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make delicious homemade sausage roll. First, I'll prepare the filling by blending some chicken sausages like the one you see here. Onions, garlic, black pepper, cayenne pepper, half a seasoning cube and 1 egg. Notice I didn't add salt, and that's because these sausages are salty. I'll drop detailed ingredients in the description, so be sure to check that out. After blending, set aside. Now let's move over to the dough. By the way, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe and turn on the bell button so you don't miss any videos. Okay, for the dough, add in your flour to a bowl. Add in some nutmeg, mixed spices, stir to combine. Then add in your margarine and mix until it looks like breadcrumbs. I like using gloves from this stage onwards because I don't want to get my hands messy. Then add in your cold milk little at a time because you don't want a sticky dough. Now knead very well until you form a dough. Set aside to rest for a few minutes. You can leave it in the fridge to rest for a few minutes. Next, you roll out your dough into a rectangular shape, like you see me do here. And add egg wash to one side of the rectangle. Roll your sausage filling into strips and roll everything like you see here. Cut into desired shape and you've made a sausage roll. Repeat the process until you're out of dough. Finally, brush with egg wash. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until it is golden brown. So I had some leftover filling, then I decided to add in 1 egg mixed together and fried. I really love the outcome. It was delicious too. Now my sausages are ready. My family really loved it. And this can go into the kids' lunchbox as the lunch, or it can be served as breakfast with tea. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Also, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.